So this is how you can make Reddit story videos. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Reddit. Today you will learn how to make those story videos that you see on your FYP a lot. So, by story videos, I mean those videos that you see with usually a Minecraft parkour in the background, and then an AI voice would read a certain story, and a lot of people actually are into it. So, how do you make these videos? Well, it's split into three parts: the background, the AI voice, and then the story. Now, it's actually very simple to get these parts, so let's start with the background. Now, the background is usually made up of Minecraft parkour moments, so just simply type Minecraft parkour gameplay, and then you're going to see these videos that says Minecraft parkour gameplay, no copyright, and as you can see from the preview, it's playing like this, much like how those videos play. And there are tons of these. If you don't like the first one, you can go ahead and choose the other ones. And now let's move on to the AI voice. So, first, you're gonna have to look for an AI voice website. Just simply search for whatever you need, which is the AI voice. Just copy what I search, honestly. Now, I searched AI voice generator free. So, this can be used by anyone, and you don't really have to use money to generate your voice. Just choose the first link that attracts you, and you can go ahead and use a website like this one, artlist.io. You can go ahead and see if this suits your content. So just go ahead and tap on start free now. Maybe it's going to ask you to sign in, and if you don't like that, just use the other ones. I recommend using 11 labs because this is actually a good AI voice generator. All you have to do is just tap on text to speech and then type whatever text you want to have a voice in. So, what do you actually have to type? Well, obviously, you're going to need the story. And that is our third part, the most important part. So, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and go back to Reddit. And then here you're going to search for scary stories, or whatever niche you want your content to be. But I usually find scary stories in these types of videos, so you can go ahead and read scary stories from these, or you can go ahead and find a website or use the creepypasta website and find stories from here, because there are a lot of stories that people use. And that's pretty much it. All you have to do is put them together in an editing app. I recommend using CapCut and you're good to go. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.